Hello, welcome to my workshop. I've just finished a new set of lovebirds that are now available in my shop. They're made out of American cherry wood and English ash wood, and then the upright section is made out of birch ply. I do that because you need the stability for the gears. I've made a whole batch of these, but also somebody specially commissioned some quite nice ones that they have a pair of these lovebirds, and they seem quite round. I've never seen them before, but they wanted some making, so I made them a set that looks like that as well. So what I'll do is I'll just show you them running. So here we are, a walnut handle that rotates. I made the ash base and perch out of nice shapes, organic forms. Makes a nice finish. The lovebirds are finished with acrylic paints, spray brushed and hand painted, and then several coats of lacquer, the final one being matte, except the beak and the eyes, which I then finished by hand with a couple of coats of gloss lacquer. Just a nice shine there. All the parts, linkages are brass rod, brass weights, brass axles there, all again made in my workshop. Delrin rollers rolling on the cams there. So the body and then the head moves semi-independently there. It's the fairly natural motion. So, those are my lovebirds. They're available in my shop on my website if you look at the link below. Thank you for watching.